Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the inbox feature in TickTick to organize your tasks efficiently. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your TickTick app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find various options for organizing your tasks. Click on Inbox to access your main task management area. This is where all your new tasks will be collected by default, making it easy to capture ideas and to-dos as they come to mind. Now, in the upper left corner of your screen, you'll see an Add Task button. Go ahead and click on it to create your first task. A text field will appear where you can type your task name. For example, you might type buy groceries and then press enter to add it to your inbox. This immediately creates the task and allows you to start building out more details. To make your task more actionable, you can add specific items you need to complete within it. Look at the upper right panel and click the checklist button. This feature lets you break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Type your checklist item, for example, vegetable, and then press enter to add it. Continue typing any additional checklist items you need and press enter after each one to keep adding more. This way you can track individual components of your task as you complete them. Just repeat these steps as needed to build out your full checklist. You also have the option to add more context to your task through a description. Below the task title, click on the description field and type any additional information that will help you complete this task. This could include notes, links, or specific instructions that you'll want to reference later. Next, let's set up timing for this task. Click the date and reminder button located at the top of the task title. A calendar picker will appear where you can select the specific date you want to complete this task. Below the calendar, you'll also see options to set the time and configure a reminder. Click on these sections to choose when you want to be notified about this task. Once you've configured your preferred date, time, and reminder settings, click Save and then click OK to apply these changes. Finally, you can prioritize your task to help you focus on what's most important. In the upper right corner, click the flag icon to set a priority level. You'll see options to select whether this task is high, medium, or low priority. Choose the level that best matches the urgency of this particular task. And that's it. You now know how to effectively use the inbox feature in TickTick to create, organize, and prioritize your tasks. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.